Nagugutom na ba kayo? Ay nako bestie, ako nang bahala sa'yo.
Tara, punta tayong San Pedro, Laguna.
Because I found the perfect spot, not just for you, but also for your pets because they have their pet-friendly menu.
They are so affordable, guys, and even your pets can dine as fancy as Gordon Ramsay.
Ayan, side eye si bakla, oh.
Well, ang funny ko, no? Kasi mga taong to, akala mo naman kung makapag-crave mga anak sa mayaman. Well, hindi pa tayo pumapaldo. Magpapalit nga ako ng course, eh. Major in TPWH. Wow. So, eto na nga.
Yung first na dumating sa table namin was the quesadilla and I believe its price is around 400 pesos. Kailangan mo pa siyang i-zoom para makita. Pero sa taste medyo okay naman siya. Parang small but terrible. Terrible! Next we had the block truffle pasta. I believe it is around 575. And guys, it is the highlight and believe me, it is so creamy, sobrang al dente, and parang perfect siya every bite. And honestly, kahit steak yung pinuntahan namin, this was the star factor. And then next we have the Angus rib eye. I believe it is around 1,300. Medium rare yung in-order namin. Pero para namang buhay pa, nanlalaban pa yung steak sa tigas. And to think na land animal yan pero nagsaswimming sa oil. And sobrang under-seasoned. Talagang nininitpick natin ng everything, ng buting-ting, ng everything. The steak comes with its sides, which is the mashed potato and the corn. The corn nakasplit into 4 pieces. Simple lang, seasoned with Cajun and a little salt, pero medyo under-seasoned pa rin. And the mashed potato, guys, was so creamy also.
Overall, masarap naman siya. For me, hindi ko lang babalikan yung steak. Pero yung pasta, pwede pa.